interpreter, please. Interpreter.
Interpreter. Milo can be our interpreter.
Randomizer?
Nag-randomizer. Okay, are you ready for your question, Bini Maloy?
I'm born ready.
Okay.
So, Maloy, your question is from Georgette Portus. In an alternate universe, let's say you're not part of Beanie, but rather a bloom. What kind of bloom will you be, and will you show your love and support to Beanie?
If I'm in an alternate universe, I think I will be a kind of bloom that has a kind heart, and ititrato ko yung Beanie as humans. That's it.
That's very Thank you so much. Thank you. Grabe ha.